Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Singhal. I'm a senior consultant in the Department of GI and Bariatric Surgery at Medanta Medicity Hospital in Gurgaon. मैं आज आपको एक हर्निया के पेशेंट के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। ये एक यंग पेशेंट है 30 इयर्स ऑफ एज, जो मेरे पास बिहार से आए थे। 2 साल पहले एक चोट लगने के कारण एक सर्जरी हुई थी पेट की, जिसमें कि आंतों का भी ऑपरेशन हुआ था। उसके बाद ग्रेजुअली इनको एक काफ़ी बड़ा हर्निया बन गया। धीरे धीरे टाइम के साथ पिछले 2 सालों में वह हर्निया इतना बड़ा हो गया कि इनका घर से बाहर निकलना भी मुश्किल हो गया, क्योंकि जब भी ये खड़े होते हैं इनका सारा प्रेशर की वजह से सारा जो एब्डोमिनल वॉल है वो बाहर बल्ज आउट करता है और एक बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाता है। तो जब ये मेरे पास आए थे तो एक्चुअली ही वाज वेरी स्केयर्ड बिकॉज ही वाज नॉट एबल टू कैरी आउट हिज डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़। बाहर निकलने में भी घबराहट होने लगी थी। तो के बारे में आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि इतने बड़े हर्नियाज में भी हम आज की डेट में बिकॉज ऑफ द एडवांसेस इन हर्निया सर्जरी ऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं, सेफली कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये हर्नियाज क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को बहुत इम्पेयर करते हैं और इनफैक्ट इनके लिए टाइम से सर्जरी करना और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है, नहीं तो ये ग्रेजुअली टाइम के साथ और प्रोग्रेस ही करते हैं। जब ये आए तो हमने एक CT स्कैन करके फुल एवेल्यूशन किया। He of course was very apprehensive or scared about the surgery. So it's very important to reassure such a patient from my side that we will use the advances in hernia surgery, including component separation techniques. Recently what we do is posterior component separation with transversus abdominis release or a TAR procedure, with which the results of hernia surgery are very good, with very low morbidity, low complications. So we would of course try to make the surgery as comfortable and as safe as possible for every one of our patients. So after the reassurance, he underwent the hernia surgery, and you can see here in the video from before the surgery, this was the hernia where the patient on coughing had such a big bulge. It was really affecting his quality of life. After undergoing the incisional hernia surgery with component separation, posterior component separation with transverse abdominis release, this is his video when he came back to the clinic after 4 days of surgery for removing these tubes. So here you can see the marked change that has happened from before the surgery to this point, where now the abdominal muscles are all tight and reinforced, and he does not have a risk of his intestines getting stuck in the hernia anymore, and he is able to breathe normally, walk normally, comfortably, with a much improved quality of life. So this patient, he was extremely reassured after the surgery. He has since then come back to see me. He is now more than 1 year after the surgery and still maintaining his abdominal muscles very well, and the tone of the muscles has now restored back to normal. So again, I would just like to say, giving the example of this patient, that even if you have a very big hernia, please don't be scared. Don't let it affect your quality of life. Feel free to come and get a medical opinion, understand the surgery, and I'm sure we will be able to help you. So thank you, and if you think this video has been useful for you, it has helped you, please like it and share it with your friends and family so they can view it as well, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.